Here's problem 27. It says we're basically putting bricks around to make a flower garden, and we've made it in the shape of a regular octagon, and it wants to know what X right there, that angle opening, happens to be. Well, it's a little bit tricky, but it's not too bad. You and I first know that if these are bricks, these are rectangles, and I got 90 degrees here and 90 right here, so those are 180. The whole thing around is going to be 360. So basically between that angle right there, which is the same for all angles around that regular octagon, that and the X are going to have to add up to 180. Well, I need to figure out what the angle is right in here. There's a couple ways to do it, but I always recommend dealing with trying to find the exterior angle to a regular polygon because the formula is so simple. The formula for the exterior angle if we had a polygon. So we had some polygon that was going like this, and we're trying to find the exterior angle, the angle right there. The easiest way is the exterior angle will equal 360 divided by the number of sides. Now the reason I love this formula is because you can also find the number of sides if you know the exterior angle just by switching these. 360 divided by the exterior angle will equal the number of sides. But here we want the exterior angle. The number of sides of an octagon? 8. So I know the exterior angle on an octagon is 360 divided by 8, which is 45 degrees. The outside angle is 45 degrees. Okay, the exterior angle on an octagon is 45 degrees. That means the interior angle, since it's supplementary, will be 135. So I know right here that guy's 135. Well, oddly enough, if he's 135 plus 90 adds up to 315? That means there's only 45 left for that X. So that X is 45. Again, we had said 135 and 45, that's going to have to be 180 because we already have 180 with those two 90-degree angles. All of those, you will notice, 45, 90, 135, and 90 add up to 360 because a complete circle is 360 degrees. So we found that angle right there between the bricks must be 45 degrees.